welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded, ready to go. It's pretty late. It's about 11:30 in the morning, but the ferry doesn't leave till 3. But it's about half an hour's ride to the ferry port. Actually, I rode past it yesterday without realising it. So I didn't need to come and stay here, but I'm glad I did. And I'm checking out late, and we'll head to the ferry port now. And we're going to Timor. The last ferry ride for this trip. It's a bit sad, guys, it really is, but everything has to end somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to find some money and get on the road. And it's about another 20 minutes this way, following the coast the way we came into town to the ferry port. I came out here yesterday and I was going to actually go to the ferry port, but there was a roadblock just up here, which might still be here today, we shall see. But yeah, the guys there all told me 3 p.m. is the estimated time of the ferry. So I'm going to get there maybe 12:30, maybe even 12 o'clock, so plenty of time. Plenty of time. And by the look of all this traffic backed up here, I think the roadblock still is there, definitely still is there. But that's the good thing of being on a motorbike. We can move right up to the front, and I've got plenty of time. Hours. Well, I was under the impression that the ferry's every day, but it's once a week. So the ferry does go every day, but it goes to different places each day. So this just goes to today it's going to a little island off Timor. But anyway, so we've got to wait till Sunday. Today is Thursday. Whew. Oh well, can't be helped, guys. And if I do overstay my visa, I think it's like $10 Australian a day, so like $7 US a day. Anyway, that'll give me a chance to get some laundry done and things. Today isn't my lucky day. No ferry, and now picked up a puncture, but it's second puncture in a year, guys, so we're not doing too bad. If you remember, we had one in rural India where they charged me 70 cents to fix it. Unbelievable. But this guy will get it done. He's done it a million times, I'm sure. And guys, it was just bad luck. It was the old patch that got done in India that just gave up the ghost, which, guys, that was the very beginning of the Indian trip. So maybe 50 or 60,000 kilometres ago. I've got no idea, I'm just making that number up, but it was a long time ago. So yeah, he's just got to replace that patch and I'll be back on the road. And these girls are so embarrassed me just being here. Now they're all doing their hair and their makeup for the camera. Say hello. Morning. Today we're going to go and have a bit of an explore, a bit of a look around Ende. Oh guys, this little memorial, from what I can gather, thanks to Google Translate and things, this is kind of the mission statement of Ende. Ende's promise to the world of how it'll live. It's beautiful, guys. And across the road here is the Ende sign. See this sign in cities all over the world. Well, not the Ende one, but one similar with their name. Anyway, guys, I'm trying to find the beach, which is just here, the coast. See if we can find it. Then there's a couple of other things to see. Then tomorrow morning, we're off to Timor. Hey guys, this is the Tourist Information Centre. It's not open today, it's Saturday, but I was in there yesterday Ferdinand, the boss, speaks perfect English, went out of his way to be helpful. But yeah, there's a big Muslim festival on here today, so I don't know what's going on, but let's go and do a bit more exploring, have a look around. Hello! And like not even 20 metres from that Muslim festival is this big Christian church. Catholic, I'm not sure, but Christian anyway. And we make such a big deal all over the world about Christian, Muslim, all over Flores. You know, there'll be a mosque and a Christian church next to each other, so everyone gets on all right here. And just near the Tourist Information Centre, which is just over there on the next street, there's this replica village. Now everything's shut today because it's Saturday. But yeah, but if about an hour from here, there is an actual village you can go and visit. It's actually lived in like this. And just near there is the 3 coloured lakes, which I think are 3 volcanic craters that are all different colours. It's about an hour and a half out of Ende, east. So yeah, I'm not going to go. I would have liked to have gone, but it's getting to the end of the trip, guys. My body's starting to tell me it's over. It's when you do, my fly in fly out friends will tell you, if you're doing 2 in 1 or 3 in 1 or whatever, those last couple of days of the swing, whether it's 8 days or whether it's 14 or 21, your body knows, and your body realises it's near the end and it starts to get very sore and tired. And this is Ende from the water, guys. A few restaurants and things up here, the Ende sign up there, and it's over here that I'll be getting the ferry from tomorrow. It's beautiful, guys, and you can see the sand looks really dirty. It's not actually dirty, it's volcanic, but it doesn't actually make you dirty if you're laying on it. There's some really beautiful beaches around here, some fishing boats and everything over there. Just gorgeous, guys, really. Absolutely beautiful. And this, so you could imagine this on a clear day. And this is one of the museums. I'm not going to try and say the name, but there it is there. Rumah Pengasinggambung Tarian. Anyway, guys, it's shut as usual, but it is Saturday. I did know when I went out this morning that a lot of things were going to be shut. Let's go and see if we can't find something open. And I haven't mentioned it before, guys, if you can hear me over that music. This is the Labuan Hotel. Really nice, excellent breakfast. And because I paid for 2 breakfasts, remember this, because when you book a hotel, you're booking it for 2 people. So you're actually paying for 2 breakfasts. I always try and make sure I get both breakfasts. So I eat 1 for breakfast, 1 for lunch. Really quite tasty. Now, I kind of gave up on the day. Everywhere I went was shut, so, but there is plenty to see here in Ende. Ende. And hey! And Flores, guys, what an island. Labuan, Bajo, amazing. Well, sorry, got interrupted there. Yeah, Labuan, Bajo, what an incredible place. Heaps of beautiful hotels and things, and the island here is just gorgeous, guys. Really, the whole ride here, unbelievable. But now, I'm just going to grab a drink and I'll chat to you later. And just on the corner up from my hotel, this little restaurant, having bakso. My favourite, and this is a really good one, really good. Yes, it's about 6 o'clock. I'm going to get an early night because I have to be at the, I want to try and leave here about 6:30 in the morning. Make sure I get to the ferry in plenty of time. Well, that was a relaxing couple of days. What a place to relax as well. Look at this, guys. And I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.